And today we have for you an off-road RC car. It looks like it has lights, smoke, big off-road tires. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it down, we're going to open it up, check it out, see what all you get, and then we're actually going to test it out. So let's get to it. All right, so here's the little car itself. It says two-wheel drive, it has suspension, high torque motor, grippy tires, rechargeable battery, and lights. Let's go ahead and open it up. Right on top is the instruction manual, and here's the little car itself. And check this dude out. It's got air-filled tires. They do have spikes and nice tread on them. Steering in the front, lock differential in the back. You got a motor back here. Very nice. Here's your little remote controller. And then inside here, so 2 batteries for the car, 2 batteries for the controller. You're going to get a recharge cord for your batteries, and you get a little screwdriver for installing your batteries. Very nice. And this does actually have like a little Lexan body. Your batteries will install on the bottom. So let's go ahead, let's put these batteries in and test this car out. All right, so we got the little guy all charged up. We have the batteries in him. He's ready to go. You can see his little LEDs on the front are lit up. He's got full steering, so it's full control, remote control. You have forward, back, left, and right. And it's actually a pretty fast little truck. We're gonna go ahead and take it out on the road and just see how quick it is. All right, Carter, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oops. All right, now we're going to check the off-road capabilities of this little truck right here. Let's go, Carter. Not too bad on the grass. It won't handle thick grass, but for short grass like ours, it's not too. So it's a super fun little car. It does okay on the grass. I would have it on short grass. If you go on long grass, it's not going to make it. I would mainly use it on carpet indoors, on the pavement, sidewalks, places like that. But it does have nice traction. It's a cool little truck. It's really quick for its size, and it's going to be great for that beginner RCer and for that little one in your house wanting to get into the RC hobby. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.